Hi there, this is RMK Outdoors, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the new boots that I got. These are Lowa Renegade GTX boots. I recently was sent these guys for review. I've been looking at them for quite a long time, and I really wanted some kind of heavier duty hiking boots. I will be getting the Salomon Quest 4Ds in as well, which I will be doing a review alongside of this and kind of like my top picks for hiking boots of the summer. But I really wanted these guys. I've heard awesome things about them, and I was lucky enough to be sent these over for review. I'll be doing a full written review on the website, rmkoutdoors.com. So if you want like more in-depth features and everything, just go ahead and be on the lookout for that. That'll probably be a little bit later in the summer, but for now, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. So I just got these in today. Size 10.5 men's. This is in their espresso color, stone espresso. So here, opening it up, they are, honestly, I'm so happy with this color right off the bat. They have a ton of color options, which is great. This is just kind of everything, going over everything in here. I did rip that. Care tips, Gore-Tex lining, some care packet there, and then yeah, really getting into it. So yeah, I wanted to get these guys primarily for summer hiking, but I believe I'll be able to use these pretty much year round. It would be, you know, with the right sock, I could probably wear these hunting during the fall and winter as well, so we'll see. But right off the bat, you can see the Vibram sole, or Vibram, I've heard it pronounced either way, but always a good sole, very sticky, looks like pretty aggressive tread. They have their mono wrap right here, which helps with stability. They are a pretty stable boot. I believe they're 555 grams, which, you know, isn't too heavy. It's actually pretty light for this being a leather boot with the big sole on it. And then you have a Gore-Tex line as well right there. You've got the Gore-Tex logo, Gore-Tex tag here. I've never had a problem with Gore-Tex lining, but I've heard a lot of people say that after a couple years it stops working. I've never had a problem, and I've had multiple boots with Gore-Tex lining, so I like to see that. Yeah, these guys are, I'm super excited. I absolutely love the color. I keep pulling it away from the camera there, but it's a nice brown on brown with a black sole. And like I said earlier, they have a ton of different colors, which is awesome. A lot of companies have like 3 colors to choose from, and they're normally kind of ugly, but I think these are nice. Lacing system, all metal or steel rivets there, eyelets. Good lace lockdown on the ankle here, and then you have these two. Yeah, you got a pull tab on the back, nice padding. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice beefy insole there. Looks like it has wool on the bottom, maybe to help with wicking. And then nothing fancy on the inside. You can see the Gore-Tex, I keep pulling that away from the camera, the Gore-Tex line there. Yeah, these are, you can tell these are well built right off the bat. Good tread. Very excited to give these a go. I will be doing a full video review, and you know, a lot more in depth. Gonna take them on a good hike, see how they do. That's all there is in here, but I'm gonna start doing unboxings on all the equipment I get as well. I may as well. I absolutely love seeing these come out of the box like this and getting a little hands-on for you guys. So that's that. So the outsole, a couple quick things. The outsole is the Vibram Evo outsole. So super high quality outsole there. And then, as I said, the lining is Gore-Tex. The whole upper is a nubuck leather, which is on a lot of boots nowadays. Super well stitched. You can see the stitching here all over the boot. Is awesome quality. Looks super nice. Padded heel, stabilizer, 550 grams per boot. Yeah, I am very excited to try these guys on, get a couple pictures, and start the written and video review of this. I think it's going to be an awesome boot. We'll do the waterproof testing, we'll do some long day hikes with it, see how they hold up, probably do a long-term review as well at some point. And that is the Lowa Renegade GTX Mid. Thanks to Lowa for sending these over to me for review, and we'll see if we can put them through the ringer a little bit here in Colorado over the summer. So thank you, and stay tuned.